On Wednesday, 26 November 2025, I visited the Nigerian branch of one of the leading Chinese engineering companies manufacturing high-performance palm oil mill machines and Garri processing equipment. As many of you know, Nigeria currently produces roughly 600,000 of palm oil, while our national consumption demand is over 2 million tons. This deficit keeps widening, yet the solution is right in front of us: better technology, smarter processing, and increased local production capacity. And that is why I have officially partnered with this company to make their machines more accessible to farmers, processors, and cooperatives across Nigeria. My goal is simple: increase Nigeria's palm oil output, reduce import dependence, empower local agripreneurs, and build sustainable agro value chains. Now, walk with me as I take you on a tour around their warehouse. I would just like it just like you should start from the first to the like
The semi-automated line.
so
Right now, we don't have the fully automated line machines here.
it's okay.
If any customer is buying fully automated line, we are going to be shipping them from China to Nigeria. So if the clients after getting the palm fruit bunches from their farm, instead of them waiting for 2 to 3 days to ferment, because in a local way they will use cutlass to remove the palm fruit. So leaving the palm fruit for 2 to 3 days increases the chances of the fresh fruit acid FFA in it. But this is going to handle it in a day without wasting, allowing it to ferment. So when you drop the palm fruit here, palm bunches here, so the fruit is coming out from here. So why you discharge the empty bunches from here? So the fruit you get from here, you cook it in a pot locally. We have this 500 kilogram per hour presser.
Presser.
Yes.
Yeah.
This 500 kilogram
presser.
So you are going to pour the fruits in heat to get the oil out of it. So maybe let me see, maybe I can see the one we've assembled. Yes.
Okay, please.
Good. This is the one we've already assembled. So that's what is in the container. If the customer is taking it, they are the one inside this container.
So this presser as it is right now is how much?
This is $2,500.
$2,500. You can get this right here. So this is the
thresher.
Going for how much?
Yeah, this one is going for $3,200.
$3,200. So the next.
All right. After this, I said we need a vibrating sieve.
Vibrating sieve.
Yeah, to do the filtration of the oil. So this is the vibrating sieve.
The vibrating sieve. To remove every
impurities from the oil.
Shafts.
So well. It's a two-way discharge. The two-way discharge have been packed there. So, but when you unfold it now, you can easily remove this end, this one, these two. So you remove one will be releasing the impurities, while one will be discharging the oil. So this is the vibrating sieve.
It goes for how much?
This one is going for $2,700.
$2,700.
Yes.
So from here,
after this is the plate filter.
Filter.
Yes. Why the plate filter is right outside there. So this plate filter, this one is we have two types of this plate filter. This one have been connected with pump, the hydraulic, but we have one that doesn't have this pump and hydraulic, which is like a manual. You can use hand to operate it. But for this one that we have already connected the pump and the plate filter and the control box. This one is $5,600.
This is $5,600.
But the ordinary one is $2,500.
Okay.
So which with ordinary plate filter, with this, we can have it at like $10,000 for the full machine.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So those are the machines we needed for the semi-automated line. So for the oil,
we are done.
Yeah, we are done. So can I introduce the cassava processing machine.
Okay, let's move to the cassava
We have
processing.
the cassava processing machine. In a local way, how we used to have the peeling, using hand to peel.
Using hand to peel.
Yeah, we have our peeler. So these are peeling machine. So peeling and washing. This one is not going for selling, but it's one of the we use as a sample.
Yeah.
So it uses the sandpaper proof to do the peeling. It reduces wastage to the barest minimum. You don't lose any cassava whatsoever. You don't lose any cassava because this sandpaper is replaceable. When it's there, you can replace it. You remove and replace it. If you peeling and washing, you connect your water to this place, and this one is just to guide the cassava tuber not to fly out. It's not doing any peeling. But this sandpaper proof does the main peeling. So the residue go down scale, the residue goes down. So while the clean cassava comes out from here, it uses electricity to operate. The capacity is 8 tons capacity per day. After the peeling, we have the grater. So this is the grater. The grater machine for the cassava. Yeah, this is the grater. So we use this to grate the cassava. While we get
also
the
having
mesh,
that sandpaper listing on that.
no, this one is not using sandpaper, but it uses other things to do the grating. We get the mesh from here. So this one is diesel engine motor. We still have the one of electrical motor for this. We have the electrical motor and we have the diesel engine motor, but this is diesel engine motors. So after collecting the mesh, you pack it in a sack to ferment for 2 to 3 days for fermentation period. Depending on how you want the garri to be sour. If you want it to be very sour, you keep it for 2 to 3 days. But for like our people in East now, they love it to not to be too much sour. Probably the second day they do the pressing. So then that's the presser over there. It uses hydraulic press.
Wow.
So this is the presser. So it has a control box as well. So when you press the control box, this system comes out. Then you load the mesh in it. Then you press the button again. The thing goes inside. You press the button again. Hydration goes up. Then it presses the water and hydrates the water immediately. So after this one have hydrated the water, the mesh will have caked. Then you need hands to break the cake. Then we have the fryer to fry the garri.
There's a fryer.
Yeah, so this is the fryer.
Oh,
These are the fryers. So the fryer
is white.
We can add a red oil to it if you want to get a yellow garri. So we have the one that uses the diesel engine. We have the one of gas engine. We have the electrical engine. It depends on your economical environment that you can use to determine the one you can go for.
Okay.
So this is the fryer. So it has a control stage that you can use to determine how you want the garri to be dried. If you want a very dried Ijebu garri, you control it in the frying. This is the control box. I will follow it. Yeah. From there, you can adjust the temperature. So after the frying, we have the sieving, the vibrating sieve. So the same vibrating sieve I introduced the other time, we use that to sieve the garri as well. So for the garri processing line, these are the single machine. We have 5 machines: the peeler, the grater, the hydraulic press, fryer, and vibrating sieve for the garri. These are the single machines, semi-automated line. But we have the fully automated line for garri that's going to be going from one place to another with less interference of human effort. So that is for garri.
Okay.
Also, we have other machines to handle the soya bean. If you want to press the soya bean, sesame seeds, granules, peanuts, those small seeds. So this machine can handle that. This is 1 to 3 tons per day. So it's 1 to 3 tons per day for those small seeds. It's a multi-purpose machine. So when you use it to handle soya bean today, you can use it to handle peanut tomorrow. So this 1 to 3 tons. We have the bigger capacity, which is 4 to 5 tons. We have it over there. So this is 4 to 5 tons. This is 4 to 5 tons.
Mm.
Ah. So for the Garri processing line, we still have the machine for the cassava flour. They have the machine for cassava flour. They have the machine for cassava starch. So these are the machines we have in stock. Yeah.
Mm. Oh, wow.
Okay. Yes.
That's
This is the Garri. The one. That one is electric diesel engine. The cassava electrical engine is this. These
okay.
electrical motors.
Okay.
This is the motor instead of the diesel engine box over there for the Garri.
Mm. Okay. It's okay. At least it's nice that we did something combined all together. So you all can be able to see this, and you can be rest assured that we are going to deliver you quality and something that meets up to standard level for your production capacity.